Hi everyone, Shane here at Southeast Motorcycles. Got a really cool bike today. We are going to do a quick walk around of this 2018 XL 1200X, the 48 Special. So right off the bat, you can see your retro inspired tank. So it's a 2.1 gallon peanut tank. Already adding to the very cool look of the 48. So we got a 1200cc Evolution engine. This, I believe, is going to be completely stock. So your round air cleaner, your chrome exhaust. These are actually going to be chrome shields with the black mufflers. You have your rear adjustable suspension right here. Forward controls. It is a 5-speed transmission. Get a good look of your Solo Rider ribbed seat. You can add a passenger pillion. Right now it does have this pretty cool rear fender bib. But you can add a rear pillion or a 2-up seat. You just need to have to put some passenger pegs as well. Very low mileage bike. So tires are going to be original. Shot of your rear fender. Nice balance of black and chrome. Very cool bike. Does have a low stance. This bike does not have ABS brakes. And then your split 9-spoke aluminum wheels. So they did move away from the lace wheels after, I believe, 2016 they made the switch. Fender forks look really nice. Halogen light. Okay, and you got your tall boy handlebars. So tall boy handlebar is going to lift you up a little bit higher in your riding triangle with your hands. You're going to have your slammed forward odometer and speedometer. Okay. And then we got 613 miles on this bike. Give it a start for you. So completely stock. If you want to come check this bike out, visit our website, southeastharley.com, or feel free to give me a buzz, 440-439-5300. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll talk to you real soon. Take care.